Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm doing better than ever. And today we got a 03, this is a 03 Saturn Ion, and we did the transmission, the clutch stick shift, so we did the clutch in it today. And let me just show you guys. I already took it down, so I'm gonna just show y'all how I did it instead of going through all that whole process. So this is what was bad. So if you got an 03 Saturn Ion and you leaking clutch fluid or brake fluid out of the transmission, it's a slave cylinder that's gonna be bad. So yeah, took it out, busted it all up, 3 parts, so that's only supposed to be one. Here's my new one. It's supposed to be like that. Spring inside. Apparently my spring compressed way too much. But okay, so this is how we did this. You obviously got to take the subframe out, but before you do that, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, actually that's not it. 5. Oh, there is one. Oh, right there. 6. That's a screw too. There's 6 18mm screws. Obviously, you got to take the starter out. That's only 2 15mm. 1, 2. Then you have to take it all the way out, and then you take the gears off of the transmission. I'll show you right here on the side. Take the gears off. Take the speed sensor out. You got to undo the steering column. There's 1 13mm screw. The whole thing falls out. Take off. Unloosen your right here. Take caliper off. I just sat it up here. Same thing on this side. Same thing. Take the tie rods out. Sway bar links had to come off, obviously. And then you take out 1. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 21mm screws, which goes to the subframe. And pretty much the whole thing just falls out, and you have to take this one motor mount off too. Take that motor mount off, which goes to right here, and then this motor mount back here. You don't have to take the whole motor mount off. You can just take these 3 screws out, 1, 2, and 3, off the back of the tranny right here. 3 15mm screws, comes right out. The whole thing falls down. You obviously want to keep something to support the motor so that it doesn't just fall down. So we used our transmission jack, keep it jacked up so it don't fall down. Gotta take out these 3 16mm screws that go to the top of the transmission, and then let it down a little bit. The transmission slides out, falls right down. But be careful when you take the axles out, because this does spill out a lot of transmission fluid. You don't want that all over you. As you can see, we got all over us already. So don't make that mistake. But yeah, that's pretty much it. When you take the clutch out, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm screws. The clutch pops right off. Easy, simple, done. And another thing for the subframe, you have to take out these 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on each side. These go to the radiator support to keep the radiator and the condenser supported. Make sure you take those out too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's nothing too hard. Nothing too hard at all. And if you want to make even more space up top, like I did, what you can do is, let me show you, where is it? The heck did I put it? Oh, right here. You can take out the fuse box from up top. The fuse box and this little thingy, the computer. Take out ECM. They both go right. It's gonna be right here, pretty much right on top of those 3 screws. You just take those 3 7mm screws out of here. There. Take those 3 screws out, and that really just pops right off. That's very self-explanatory. Just want to show you guys the basics of how to do it if you ever need to do this. I don't really have to go too far into detail, but yeah, simple, easy, nothing too hard, nothing that can't be done. When you take the slave cylinder off, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 star bolts. I believe they're T20s. Yep, 4 T20s. And it literally slides right off. The new one goes like this. Turn this way. up, slides right in. Whoops. Boom. Put the three screws right here. Your fourth one up there, and you ready to go. Very easy, nothing too hard at all. As long as you have the right stuff, guys. It's very easy. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy, but I will be back with some more challenges, some more pranks, and some other stuff that you guys might like. Just leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I want to thank y'all for all my views, because I'm coming up slowly but surely. Thank you for all my views. I have finally hit 2,000 subscribers, and I'm very happy. So I want to thank y'all. I love y'all. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, keep showing me all the love, because we're going to make it to the top, baby. We're going to make it to the top.